What's up guys, it's your girl Brianna aka MiniMarley and I'm back for another video. This one is sponsored by My Black is Beautiful. So I'm really excited about today's hair tutorial because it is wash and go in the back and party in the front. That was a little bit corny, but you guys get the idea. I know when you've been natural for a long time, it kind of gets pretty boring and repetitive in the hair department. So I just wanted to help you guys spice up your normal natural hair routine, your wash and go, with a little something cute. I was actually inspired to do this look by Kim_Sunkissed Curls on Instagram. If you do not follow her, you definitely should. And I will link the tutorial that she created, which inspired this look, down below. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I'm also really happy with how the My Black is Beautiful products performed in my hair. I'm here for it. So today I'm going to basically be showing you guys how I use those products to achieve this look. And if you want to know how I got it, then keep watching this video, honey. Alright, so I am starting this style in the shower today. I wanted to give you guys the full rundown from the wash all the way to the style. So I'm coming from having a perm rods. I blew out my hair for that perm rod set and my hair is just feeling pretty dry. So I really want it to be nice and hydrated by the end of this wash day. So I am starting off with the Hydrating Shampoo from the My Black is Beautiful collection. So just to give you a little background, the My Black is Beautiful products are all formulated with what they like to call golden milk, which is just a combination of coconut milk, turmeric, ginger, honey, and coconut oil, amongst a range of other ingredients. And they basically just make your hair feel good, honey. Okay, so like I said, I started with the shampoo, and like the name suggests, it really just hydrates your hair. It helps to get your hair clean without stripping it of its natural oils. So as you can see, I really focused it on my scalp. I really like to make sure that I'm getting any buildup from my scalp, especially coming from a style like the one I just had. I didn't really have that much product in my hair, so I just want to focus where I need it on the scalp. Next, I'm moving into the Fortifying Conditioner, and this stuff felt so good. I used a ton of it. If you're natural, you already know we like a lot of conditioner. I took 2 big squeezes of this stuff, but it is so thick that you honestly don't need as much as I used. It really moisturized and softened and detangled my hair. As you can see, these curls are looking so juicy, and I'm using my Denman brush. I'm starting at the ends of my hair, working my way up the strand, and just really getting my hair nice and detangled. I love the slip on this conditioner. Slip is a must for any conditioner, and I like to section my hair up in 4 sections when I detangle. Just take my time, work it through, and look how juicy the curls are looking. Just take your time, girl. You don't want to cause any breakage and then end up having split ends and having to trim your hair more often. So just take your time during this process. If you can finger detangle, that's even better. Your girl is working on patience, but this conditioner definitely helps with this process. Once my hair is all detangled, I'm moving on to the next product, and again squeezing out a generous amount of it. This is the Intense Recovery Treatment. I am so happy that My Black is Beautiful came out with a deep conditioner or a treatment mask as a part of this collection, because that is always my favorite product in any collection pretty much. This recovery treatment really coated my strands. It penetrated deeply like I needed it to, and it just helped me to restore my hair, replenish and repair it from that blowout that I just had. It helps with manageability and shine. Everything that we need for step 2 of our styling process, it starts right here in the shower. So I'm applying a good amount of this mask to my hair, and then I just went ahead and ran my fingers through it, did a little finger detangle with this mask in my hair, pin it up, and then you want to take a shower. Let this marinate on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes, honey. We want it to penetrate and sink in and get all the benefits out of it. So once I was done showering, I went ahead and started rinsing out my hair. I just took out my clip, as you can see, stand right under the shower. This is the best part. My hair is super nice and detangled and smooth. Actually, I'm just gonna be quiet now. Let's just enjoy this soothing wash day moment. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did, but as you can see, those wash day products left my hair feeling so luscious. I left this towel on for a good little minute, which is my hair looks dry. It's actually damp, and I'm just gonna start this style off by parting a section about 2 inches wide in the front of my hair. As you guys saw, I basically have 2 braids in the front of my hair and a wash and go at the back, so that's what we're doing right now, just parting off the sections for those 2 braids. Once I have that parted off in the front, I'm just going to pin that up. And then I like to make sure that I moisturize my hair before it all completely dries, because it really is hard to re-moisturize your hair once all the water is dried out of it. So definitely make sure that you add something, whether it's a leave-in. Some people add that in the shower. I like to add my products when I get out while my hair is still damp. So I'm going in with the Tangle Slayer Conditioning Cream, and this product actually comes in 2 different formulas. One is formulated for type 3 curly hair and one is formulated for type 4 coily hair, which I really appreciate. I'm using the type 4 one, of course, and when I tell you that this product has a lot of slip, it has a lot of slip, and it also really moisturizes my hair. As you can see, my hair kind of looked like it had dried out from using that towel on it, but when I applied this to my hair, it literally melted right back to moisture. And I just want to show you the difference of this top frizzy part where my hair is a little bit dry to where I added the product. It just looks so much more moisturized and it's so easy to detangle. So once the back of my hair is all moisturized, I'm going to move back to this front section. And right now I just have 1 large section, but we need to part that in half because we are creating 2 braids today. And I just tried to create 2 even parts. Mine ended up not being that even. One was a little wider than the other, but honestly, it won't matter. Just try to get your parts as neat as possible for a more professional look. I'm gonna pin the back section back. And then I'm going to go into my next product, which is the Moisture Luxe Detangling Spray. This product is pretty straightforward. It's a detangling spray and it really does help with the detangling process. And it also really just added some moisture and wetness back to my hair. So I added that, and I also added a little bit of the conditioning cream. And then I just added some gel to the base of this braid. So whenever you're braiding or doing cornrows, you want to add some gel or an edge control or something just to slick down your hair so that you can make sure that you pull everything into the braid nicely. So this part was kind of hard to show. I'm not a professional when it comes to cornrowing, but I know there are some tutorials out there if you specifically want to learn how to do that. If you don't know how to cornrow, another option would just be to create flat twists. That's super easy and simple, and you can just flat twist these 2 sections instead of braiding them. But if you do know how to braid, it definitely looks really nice. So just take your time. I know this can be difficult. I tried to show you a couple clips of the actual speed that I was going because I was moving pretty slow. It took me a while, but I got the job done. And I basically just created a braid going from one side of my head to the other. And for the second braid, we're gonna go in the opposite direction. Again, I'm going in with my gel and just slicking down the base of my braid so that I can get a nice clean braid. When I start my braid, I also like to part off a tiny section at the front and I braid like 2 or 3 times, and then I start picking up hair. I find that helps me, so that's just a little tip. Also, make sure that you're detangling your hair as you braid so that you can keep the braid looking sleek and nice. We don't want lumps and bumps, so just take your time, and when you are finished, you will feel so accomplished. I definitely did. I have my nails on. I didn't know if I could do it, but your girl did it, honey. Now that the hard part is over, here is the fun part. I'm going in with my Edge Slayer Edge Control. I also love that they included one of these in the line because we all like to slick down our edges. So I applied a little bit of gel along with the Edge Slayer, and I just went ahead and slicked down my edges. Another tip is just to use a tail comb to kind of tuck in your braid and make it look even more neat, because we know it's not going to be perfect, but that really helps to just kind of clean it up. So now I'm just going to create a wash and go at the back of my head. I didn't spend too much time on this because I have so many wash and go tutorials, and I actually have a brand new one. I'm not sure if it's posted before or after this video. If it isn't already up, it'll be coming up soon. You don't want to miss it. But for this tutorial, I just wanted to keep it light. I'm doing my regular routine. I did add a little bit of the detangling spray to each section just to make sure that it was nice and wet. I like to make sure that my hair is wet when I'm doing my wash and go, so I'm just spraying some of that. I'm going in with my detangling brush, making sure that my hair is really smooth. That is another major key. And then you want to apply gel to your roots. Smooth down your roots, make sure that they are nice and flat, and really get that gel on there first, and then start working the gel down the rest of your hair strand. I use a very generous amount of gel, and sometimes I even like to shingle, especially as I get closer to the top where my hair is frizzy, like up here. So as you can see here, I'm shingling. As you saw in my last section, I used my detangling brush to kind of smooth this hair out. And here is another technique that you can use, the praying hands method, just to smooth the hair between your hands. It helps your curls clump up, as you can see, and then you can just separate them if you need to. And this is what my hair is pretty much looking like, all defined. I'm gonna do the second part off camera, and here is my hair all defined, all done. So I let my hair air dry a little bit, and then I went ahead and diffused it with my blow dryer, and I also stretched it a little bit to give me the length and the volume that I wanted. I wanted my hair to look really nice and big and full, and I also took that time to go pick up some gold accessories from my hair because they just make any style look so much cuter. I'm not going to go too ham with them. I'm only applying 3 today, and you can apply them wherever you want. I did 1 in the middle and then 2 on the sides, and they just really brought the look to life. Tell me that this doesn't look so cute. Go ahead and get your pick and fluff your hair out a little bit, and then this is the finished look. These products performed so well on my hair. My curls look so poppin', and this style is just a really cute way to jazz up my basic wash and go. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and found the tutorial really easy to follow. I hope that you would try this look at home to spice up your normal wash and go routine. Also, don't forget to check the description box below to find out how you can try out the My Black is Beautiful products. Again, I'm really happy with how they performed on my hair. My wash and go is popping, and this style just came out so cute. Let me know if you think so too by commenting down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications on your way out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much to My Black is Beautiful for sponsoring it. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.